Here you have preparatory questions for the exam. Welcome to your math channel. Let's get to the question. A moving truck can tow a trailer if the combined weight of the trailer and the boxes it contains does not exceed 4,600 kilograms. What is the maximum number of boxes this truck can tow in a trailer weighing 500 kilograms if each box weighs 120 kilograms? Letter A, 34. Letter B, 35. Letter C, 38. Or letter D, 39. The total weight, let's call it W, which is equal to 500, that's the weight of the trailer, plus 120, which is the weight of each box. How many boxes? We don't know, so 120x? We know that the weight of the trailer, 500, plus the boxes, 120x, has to be less than or equal to 4,600. Let's start solving it. The 500 will move to the other side. Here it's positive, so it becomes negative when it moves over. So it's 100. 120x is less than or equal to 4,600 minus 500. 120x is less than or equal to 4,100. Here, since it's a multiplication, it will go to the other side as a division. So it becomes x equals 4,100 divided by 120. We can simplify here. It becomes x equals 410 divided by 12. The result is approximately 34.16. So at most, you can only carry 34 boxes, because if you take 35, you'll already exceed the towing limit. So the correct answer is letter A. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, give it a like, and see you in the next video.